In this video, we are going to solve the problem given. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2000 per month, find their monthly incomes. And we are supposed to use the elimination method. First of all, we will try to use two variables, for example, x, and this represents the income, and another variable y that represents the expenditures. Now, based on the information given, the ratio of income is 9:7 and the ratio of the expenditures is 4:3. And the income minus expenditure is basically the saving, which is 2000 per month for both the persons. Based on this information, I can write 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. This will be my first equation. 7x minus 3y, which will be equal to the second equation. Now, we are supposed to solve this system of linear equations using the method of elimination. In the method of elimination, what we do is we try to first consider a variable, and for that particular variable, we bring the coefficient as same for both the equations. For example, in the given problem, if I consider the variable y, its coefficient in the first equation is -4 and its coefficient in the second equation is -3. So I have to bring a common coefficient of y in both the equations. How I can do that? I can just multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. If I do that, I will get two new equations as 9 into 3, which is 27x, minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12y, and this is equal to 2000 into 3, which is 6000. This is equation 3. Then I will multiply the second equation by 4. That will give me 28x minus 12y equal to 8000. This is my fourth equation. Now, equation 3 and equation 4 are basically same as equation 1 and equation 2, but in different format. By doing this rearrangement, what we see is the coefficient of variable y in both the equations, equation 3 and equation 4, is the same. Now, in order to get rid of variable y, I will just multiply by -1 throughout to equation 4. And this will result in sign change as follows. This will become minus, this minus will become plus, and this will become minus. Accordingly, what I can do is I will simplify. 27x minus 28x is minus x, minus 12y plus 12y is equal to 0, and 6000 minus 8000 is minus 2000, or x will be equal to 2000. Now this value of x equal to 2000 can be substituted in any of the above equations from equation 1 to equation 4. It doesn't matter, it will give the same and consistent value of y. Let me put this value of x equal to 2000 in the very first equation. That will give me 9 into 2000 minus 4 into y, which is equal to 2000. 9 into 2000 is 18,000 minus 4 into y is equal to 2000. Further simplifying, I will put minus 4y on the right hand side. That will become positive. So 4y, which is equal to this 2000 from the right hand side, will come to the left hand side. So that will become minus. So 18,000 minus 2000 is 16,000. And this will give me the value of y as 4000. Now I have got the value of x and the value of y. If we try to find out the income of the two persons, so that is nothing but 9 into x, which is 18,000 of the first person, and 7x for the second person. So 7 into x, which is 7 into 2000 is 14,000. So this is the income of both the people. If you look at the expenditure, so that is nothing but EXPEN expenditure. So that is 4y, 4 into y. So 4 into 4,000 is 16,000. So the expenditure for the first person is 16,000, and for the second person is 3 into y. So that is 12,000. So as the income and expenditure, the subtraction between income and the expenditure is a saving. So we can see that for the first person, 18,000 minus 16,000, his saving is 2,000. And even for the second person, 14,000 minus 12,000, the saving is 2,000. So this is another way of checking our solution is correct or not. So I hope that you are able to follow the process, and if you have any questions, please do write me into the comment section. Thank you.